The marketing landscape is shifting, and we will equip you with key skills and competencies in marketing. But what we're really proud of in this marketing is working on your mindset. It's not just giving you one key for one door. It's really to give you a whole bunch of keys in order to open many different doors. What sets this program, our program, apart is its dual focus. So instead of treating marketing and digital innovation apart, we seamlessly blend both.
It's really hands-on, it's really project-based, it's really with that structure that sometimes in marketing you're like, okay, let's explore this idea, or let's do this. But this was more a lot of frameworks, how to really develop in that end. And at first it might seem easy, but then when you go deep in it, it's like, okay, this has a lot of structure.
Our curriculum combines strategic marketing insights with hands-on digital and data-driven analytical skills. This means that graduates not only master the creative, customer-centric strategies, but also leverage cutting-edge, latest technology and data to thrive future business growth. In our program, learning happens way beyond the classroom. For instance, students will work in the very last bit of the program on the 3-month full-time in-company market research project, tackling business problems with leading companies in our Vlerick network. We also include business simulations and games that tackle industry-specific questions in our curriculum.
Also in class, we had a lot of guest lectures, really business case challenges, which were super interesting on the one side, but also it offers you a possibility and an opportunity to get to know another industry. Maybe an industry you didn't think about, a company that you've never heard of before.
What our students really value are the immersive experiences in industry and beyond. For example, they will go on an international study trip to Dublin, where they will experience the latest cutting-edge technologies that influence marketing and digital marketing tomorrow as well.
Here we were visiting a lot of the big tech giants, as you know, going from Meta to Microsoft, Salesforce, and so on. It's just a dream of a lot of marketing students, I think, to really go to those companies.
It has helped me to gain a lot of confidence and trust in myself to pursue an international marketing career, and has helped not only me but also my peers that come from different backgrounds to pivot our careers into a business career and to growth in that direction.
When you graduate from this program, you do not only leave with the knowledge, but you will leave with the confidence, with the practical skills to apply this knowledge in industry contexts right after graduating.